Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of JAYdotMAK. Those of you guys that have been following me on all my other social media, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, whatever have you, right? Links will be in the description down below if you want to go ahead and follow them. But I've been setting up my backyard and my shed so I can grow my medicinal marijuana. And, you know, I've been wearing these Monarchs in the backyard while, you know, getting things ready, pressure washing the shed. And, well, the barbecue, grilling, and chilling shoes have seen a lot better days. Like, these motherfuckers look pretty shitty. Outside of the fact that they're Air Monarchs. I actually like the Air Monarchs. All right? You know, they are a very comfortable, everyday sneaker that you can wear around, beat the fuck up, and not really care. However, I still don't like my beaters looking this fucked up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in the backyard. Now, usually I do this in my sink because my shoes aren't that nasty, but these are gross, and they're not going in my motherfucking kitchen sink. So we're going to go ahead and set up the tripod out in the back. We're going to bust out the RESHOEVN8R cleaning kit. Yes, I know this is the old RESHOEVN8R branded stuff. They did switch their branding a little bit recently. However, this shit is still good, and I've had it here for probably about like a year and a half, and, you know, it's served me pretty goddamn well. So let's go ahead and get into the actual cleaning of the sneakers. Alright, now that we have finished cleaning these all up and they're dry, we put the laces back up in there, and these are looking pretty clean. Now, are these gonna be going from, you know, beaters to heaters? Nah, it's Air Monarch. I mean, it's not heat. It's a nice shoe, but it's not heat, you know? It's a $35 shoe that I wear around town, but you know what? We turned them from beat to street, like beatable, to streetable. Like, now these are presentable. Like, I don't feel like a bum putting these on my feet when they was all nasty and scuzzied up from pressure washing my backyard. However, like I said, that's what these shoes are for. They're beaters, they're backyard chilling shoes, and, you know, that's what they're for. But that's also what sneaker cleaning solutions are for. Whether you use a JAYdotMAK, RESHOEVN8R, Crep, or, you know, just a little bit of fucking Dawn in a bowl instead of a goddamn toothbrush. Come on, man. We've all been there back in the day, using a little bit of dish detergent and some cold water, fucking trying to get your Air Force Ones looking spotless, cause motherfuckers is broke. But this has been another episode of JAYdotMAK. I figured I was already gonna be cleaning these motherfuckers, and a lot of people be asking me, you know, how I clean my sneakers, how I keep my shit looking so fresh. So even though we didn't pull out no heat today, you know, we did pull out a respectable pair of beaters. We brought them back to you know, streetable beaters. So, like I said, my name's Jay. More than after kill. This is another episode of JAYdotMAK. Make sure you leave a comment in the section down below. Leave a thumbs up. And I'm going to see y'all motherfuckers later.